I'm Chris Irvin, Education Manager here at Perfect Keto. When I first tried keto, I had keto flu symptoms for a week. I didn't really know what I was supposed to eat or how much I was supposed to eat, and it really showed. I had symptoms like headache, fatigue, and I was in a terrible mood. A few weeks later, I came across Perfect Keto Exogenous Ketone Base, and everything changed. I used that to help my transition into ketosis, and I noticed within a few days my symptoms went away and I was transitioning into full fat burning mode. And fighting keto flu symptoms is just one of the many benefits of exogenous ketones. In this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about Perfect Keto Exogenous Ketone Base, what it is, how to use it, and more. If you have any additional questions after watching this video, hit us up at hello@perfectketo.com. We'd love to help you with your journey. So what are ketones? Ketones are an alternative energy source to glucose. When people tell you that your body needs carbs for energy, this just isn't true. The truth is that your body can get all of the energy it needs endogenously or inside of us through things like fat and ketones. In fact, ketones are actually a cleaner source of energy, and they're the brain's preferred fuel source. When your body's metabolizing ketones, it's actually protective of your brain and it helps combat inflammation. So while your body can produce ketones endogenously, there's also benefits to taking ketones exogenously or outside of the body. Perfect Keto Exogenous Ketone Base contains BHB, which is the primary ketone molecule that your body uses for energy. So what's in Perfect Keto Exogenous Ketone Base? We use 3 different types of ketones to help meet your body's energy demands. We use a blend of electrolytes that allow you to combat your keto flu symptoms, and natural flavors for taste. Notice that we didn't say anything about carbs, sugar, weird fillers, or artificial ingredients. With less than 20 calories per serving, this is one of the cleanest exogenous ketone products on the market. So let's talk about the benefits of exogenous ketones. Exogenous ketones are great for helping your transition into ketosis. When you first start restricting carbohydrates, there's this lag time between when your body's producing ketones and when it knows how to use them as an energy source. Exogenous ketones are a great product to use during this transition period to provide your body with ample amount of fuel to help you get through your day. Another benefit to exogenous ketones is that they're a quick energy source. There's no crash, it won't affect your sleep, which makes it the perfect afternoon pick-me-up. One of my favorite benefits of exogenous ketones is that they satisfy cravings and keep hunger low without adding a lot of additional calories, making them perfect for intermittent fasting. Remember that we said ketones are the preferred fuel source of the brain. That's because they provide more energy than glucose, they create less oxidative stress, and they actually lower inflammation in the brain. So a lot of people want to know how to use exogenous ketones. We found that our customers love putting exogenous ketone base in their morning coffee because caffeine helps combat tiredness and ketones provide an additional fuel source, a combination that makes for a great morning boost. For those of you who are looking for an alternative to mixing ketones with coffee, you can mix it with your favorite hot or cold keto-friendly drink. And here's a hot tip. You don't have to start with a full scoop. I recommend starting with 1/4 of a scoop and assessing your tolerance because having too much too soon can cause digestive issues, and smaller amounts of exogenous ketones can still provide a ton of benefits. So when do you use exogenous ketones? Many people use them in the morning with their coffee, tea, especially when they're trying to extend their fast. But you can also use exogenous ketones anytime you need a quick boost in energy, such as before a workout, work, or when you're studying. And a special use case of exogenous ketones is in endurance sports because exogenous ketones can provide a more sustained energy source that doesn't give you that same bonk that you get from carbs, sugar, and caffeine. If you're primarily using exogenous ketones as a pre-workout, we recommend using Perfect Keto Perform, which contains the same ketones as exogenous ketone base, plus additional ingredients like amino acids, creatine, caffeine, and citrulline to help you get the most out of your workouts. And similarly, if you're using exogenous ketones primarily for the mental boost, like before you work or before studying, we recommend checking out Perfect Keto Nootropic, which contains those same exogenous ketones plus additional ingredients like alpha-GPC, bacopa, and other ingredients that research has shown can help boost mental performance and clarity, increase creativity, and improve overall brain health. There are a ton of myths and misconceptions about exogenous ketones. And one of the biggest questions I get is, do exogenous ketones prevent me from burning fat and reduce my natural ketone production? Remember, exogenous ketones are an energy source. They provide you with more energy, which can actually help you burn more fat throughout the day by increasing your energy expenditure and helping you get more out of your workouts. And once your body has finished metabolizing exogenous ketones, you'll go right back to producing ketones naturally. On the flip side, early proponents of exogenous ketones marketed their use as a replacement to the ketogenic diet, and this just simply isn't true. Exogenous ketones used in combination with a standard American diet are still going to leave you with high levels of inflammation, insulin resistance, and blood sugar, and an increased risk of chronic disease. And exogenous ketones used in combination with a well-formulated ketogenic diet is going to leave you with low levels of inflammation, insulin, blood sugar, and optimal fat loss. Exogenous ketones also often get a bad rep because they can cause GI distress. And this is true, but this is just a sign that you're taking too much too soon. Remember, your body takes time to get adjusted to using ketones for fuel, which is why we recommend starting with 1/4 of a serving and increasing your dose as tolerated. So there are a ton of exogenous ketone products on the market. Here's what you should be looking for when shopping. No proprietary blends, no artificial ingredients. Look for keto-friendly sweeteners like monk fruit, stevia, and erythritol. Don't waste your time with raspberry ketones. These are not the same thing as exogenous ketones. And be aware of companies that are using a lot of stimulants like caffeine in their products to make you feel something while not providing you with the optimal dose of exogenous ketones. Perfect Keto Exogenous Ketone Base is our flagship product, and we were one of the first companies to bring an exogenous ketone product to the market. As the date of this recording, we have over 9,000 5-star reviews from customers who have used exogenous ketones to help reach their health goals. If you decide to try them and you don't absolutely love them, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Just shoot us an email and we'll refund you your money. You can shop for Exogenous Ketone Base at perfectketo.com, amazon.com, or as a part of the Keto Kickstart bundle at perfectketo.com. And again, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at hello@perfectketo.com. We'd love to help you with your health journey.